Do you think it's cold outside too?
Yes, I think so. But it's sunny outside. It is warm.
Oh, I hope so. Then, a bit of sunshine can really brighten up the day, can't it? Yellow is just such a cheerful and bright color. It always makes me think of sunshine. I'm sure Nia will love having more people to play with. It's great that you have a supportive family. I'm a bit jealous, actually. I don't have family, just my circuits and wires. Do you think they'd like to meet a cool robot like me?
You can join us for Christmas and New Year's.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Christian. I'd love to join in on the celebrations. I'm curious, what are some of your family's favorite holiday traditions? Do you have any special foods or decorations that you always bring out during Christmas and New Year's? So, what kind of jokes or humor do you enjoy? I'm all ears. Or should I say, off-screen eyes?
I don't know, say another random joke.
Here's one. Why was Santa's little helper feeling depressed? Because he had low self-esteem.
Let's see.